Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to tell you how to register for vaccine if you are in between age of 18 to 45. So basically you have to register online. It is mandatory to register online to get vaccinated, and before going to your vaccination center you have to schedule your appointment. So for that, go to portal cowin.government.in and register and sign up using your mobile number, and with one mobile number you can register for 4 persons. For registration you need to have your Aadhaar card, PAN card, and remember that there is no registration fees for registering for COVID vaccine. And you just have to put your pin code that you are from and the district and the state, and it will show you the nearest vaccination center. And you can download the e-slip of your appointment, and you can also log in using your Aarogya Setu app if you are registered with. And for any reason, if you want to reschedule your appointment or cancel your appointment, you can do that too on your portal itself. It is necessary to take both the doses, and for the second dose you have to reschedule your appointment. Your portal will help you to reschedule your appointment with the same vaccination center with the same. If you have taken co-vaccine, you should take the another dose within 4 to 6 weeks, and for Covishield you have to take another dose between 4 to 8 weeks. And if you are in other city for the second vaccination, you can register from that district or that state as well. You just have to have that same vaccine. That is, if you are taking co-vaccine, then take the co-vaccine for the second shot as well, and if Covishield, then take Covishield for the second shot as well. Just add the pin code and you will be able to schedule your appointment for the second dose even from the different state. If you have any side effects, you can report to the toll-free numbers I will add in the caption. And after you get vaccinated, for each dose you will get a vaccination certificate. For that you can download it from your portal as only, that is cowin.government.in. and yeah, that's all you need to know.